Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. Today I'll bring you the Rubicon Models Bell UH-1D 1H Huey in 1x56 scale military helicopter. We have the options to build either the UH-1D or UH-1H with full interior. Side doors can be assembled open or closed. Clear window, parts included. Build options include troop and cargo transport, medvac with 6 stretchers, cabin weapons including M6TD, an M213 MMG, M134 minigun, and M129 grenade launcher. Armament subsystems including M134 minigun, XM157 missile pods, and M60C MMG. It brings 2 US pilots and 2 gunners in Vietnam War era uniform included. Optional teeth and swivel support, but this support is not supplied. So let's see what we have inside the box. So we start opening the box, and we are greeted with a pile of bags and instructions and whatnot. So first things first, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of plastic parts, clear parts, instructions, and decals. So let's start having a look on the bags and the quality of the injection molds. So we start with this bit. We have the figures, as you can see in here. You have the body to assemble, and give me a second. So we have here the body part, as you can see, the legs and whatnot, and as you can see, there's no much flash in the parts. Well, if any flash at all. We have a little bit of flash here, but it's minimal, negligible, if I may say. The definition of the pilots. Oops, sorry guys. The faces, as you can see, very good as well. So first impressions looks good. Guys, don't forget, if you like this, please like and subscribe to get more videos and all of that. It's well appreciated and helps the channel a lot. So in here we have the guns. Again, very well detailed, very well molded, as you guys can see in here. Loads of details. The big guns here as well, loads of details. The small guns, as you guys can see, very good. And again, not much flash. Carry on to the next one. And so far we are just on the small pieces. We are close to get to the interior and the fuselage. So as you can see, seats, they look good. I'm assuming this is the stretchers for the interior. Couple more figures. I'm assuming these will be like crew, either to be seated on the guns or to be outside, I would say, but I might be wrong. And again, lovely little details, very well molded. You have the instrument panel here. It looks fairly good, and with loads of detail. So again, we have more little faces here. Wow, I'm assuming these ones will be the pilots, in fact. So might be pilots. We'll figure out when we get to the instructions. Next we have the interior. The back wall, I believe, the top, the bottom, and then the divisions for the cabin. Again, very fine details, very well molded details. The front of the cabin as well looks very good. The top, very well detailed. Rotor blade, the rotor, not the blade, just the rotor, looks very well good. Just a little bit of flash here and there, but easy for us to clean. Then comes the remain of the helicopter. So as you guys can see, it's not properly a small model. It's 1/56 scale. You can see the blades. They have the sagging, as you can see by the angle of the blades. They look good. Again, loads and loads and loads of detail here. Same on the doors and on the sliding doors. The remaining of the fuselage looks good. There's nothing, like no cleanup needed on here, apart from the contact points from on the sprue. So all in all, plastic wise, looks really good. So what about instructions? Instructions wise, so far looks fairly simple. So on here you have the on here you have the options and what you need to drill. For search and rescue, drill the red ones. For M134129, the greens. So fairly comprehensive and simple to follow the instructions. Like I said, the stretchers that can go for the medvac variants. We have the gunners here, and you have different positions, which is really good. I like that. So for each gun you have a different gunner. You have the assembly points of the guns. For the M213, for the M60. Looks really good. Again, you can have the doors open or closed as per normal on these helicopters. You have the pilot and co-pilot, and then you have the variants that you can have: the UH standard version, medvac with pintle mounted M60D, with pintle mounted. Yeah, and then the sprues that come with it. You have the shark mouth, shark teeth, better saying, and how to apply them. We have here the decals. Let me take off the decals. Oh god, they don't want to come out. Come on. Cooperate with me, please. There you go. So decals wise, they seem very fine printed. They are not whoa spectacular decals, but they look good, and they look like they can do a great job on the model. So look forward to apply these. They are not the thinnest ones, but they are not the thickest ones. So let's see how they're gonna behave on the model. So I'm assuming that the variants might be on the back of the box? No. So, I'm puzzled now. So how do we know how to apply the decals? Because there's no... There's no scheme. So it shows you all the build, but doesn't show you how to apply the decals. Or am I wrong? So am I wrong that they don't have the decals options? We don't have any more. No. And it's not on the back of the decals as well. Well, this is a bit of a drawback, because we should have the thingy, the instructions for the manual. So yeah, I need to ask this around if this is standard with Rubicon models or not. But like I said, I'm just now opening, as you guys see. So we have the clear parts. Clear parts look very good. No, so I'm not gonna take it from the box, from the bag, because then they might get scratched, but they look very good as well. So yeah. So yeah, guys, a nice model with plenty of details. The only drawback that I don't like is that they don't have the thingy, the instruction sheet for the decals. So I'm a bit thrown back by that, but I will ask around and see if this is standard practice for Rubicon models or if not. So guys, I hope you like it, this inbox review. Hope you guys find it helpful and useful. So if you like it, please thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Let me know why you didn't like it so I can improve my content for the next time. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and you get notifications for all the other ones, for all the videos that are coming to the channel. So again, thank you ever so much for watching, and see you next time.